Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this simple video, I'm going to show you how to adding MP3 to your CapCut PC. Actually, it's super simple. You are just going to click on media and select import. But before you can prepare your MP3 file on your folder. So for example, I select this one that I have MP3 file. Just click open. As you can see, this MP3 file has been imported to my CapCut. Okay, so super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to the channel. If you have any question, please leave in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching.